Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video it's just a small video for you just to have as to what you need to focus on, what is the key thing which you really need to focus on right now. So and this reading is somewhat similar to the Capricorn reading, so maybe you are dealing with a Capricorn, and you can go and check out that video. Maybe there is some additional message for you there. So your key to the week here is, or the key message here is, I won't say key to the week because I don't know when I'll be posting such a message reading again. But yes, the key message right now is the Magician. So definitely you are manifesting something. You want to manifest something. You are in a very, very resourceful position. You know you have the resources. You know you have the magic. You know you have the unlimited strength and the patience to do what you can. You know, like, it's like, you know, you can do it, something of that sort. You know you have the energy, the power, the willpower, the strength to manifest what you want. So you know that you can weave anything right now. So that is what the energy is. It is a very, very powerful energy. Magicians it is a very powerful energy, Pisces. Maybe all of you are becoming magicians, Pisces. Maybe that is what you are doing right now. So we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Six of Cups. With the Eight of Pentacles, definitely what I feel here is, it's coming off like similar to the Capricorn message. I should say that with the Eight of Pentacles, it's something you've been trying to focus your attention to. You are trying to focus on your goals, trying to focus on your work, but something is there which is distracting you. There is something which is distracting you over here, and whatever this distraction is, or this person is, it seems to be it's a person, because here you really want to open up to this person. You really want a new beginning with this person, and that is what you are trying to manifest. So something has caught your eye, definitely at the workplace, or while you are working. Something is too enticing and distracting here, and you are not able to take off your eyes, and you really want a new beginning with this person. And then we have the Six of Cups. So what I feel here is, it can be two things. So maybe you are wanting a new beginning with somebody from the past. Maybe somebody from the past comes in, and that is what the new beginning here is. Maybe that is what you are trying to manifest. It can be that also. For others of you, it can be that while you are sort of distracted to somebody new, and you want a new beginning with someone, maybe during that time your ex shows up, or somebody from the past shows up. It can be that also. Okay, so Pisces, it can go anyway, but definitely you are in a very, very powerful energy right now. You are actually manifesting something, and you really want your heart, or you really want to open up your heart to this person. That's what I feel. And somehow I'm really being drawn to this, that whatever is here which you are trying to manifest, this is coming up here. Okay, so this is what you are trying to manifest. It is deep within your heart, and this is what you are trying to work on, and here it is, you are ready for the new beginning to this person here. Maybe it can be it's not necessary that you are talking about the ex, or your ex comes back. One more thing is that maybe you are just back in touch with your old happy times. Okay, maybe just since you were too focused on work, since you were too focused on building up your stability and all, that once you are in this sort of a romantic and emotional type of an energy, maybe you are just getting in touch with your sort of happy old times, or being nostalgic about it. It can be as simple as that, Pisces. It is not necessary that somebody has to come, some ex has to come, or create a commotion in your life. Not necessarily. It will be different for different people, but definitely you will feel happy about it. That much is for sure. So I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.